Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mr. Den English World. If you really want to speak English fluently, this video is your first big step. Let's make a deal today. For the next 30 days, you'll speak English with me. Just 10 to 15 minutes every day. No pressure, no fear, no grammar stress. Only real English for real life. Ready? Let's begin your 30-day English speaking challenge. Start your day in English every morning. Start your day in English. Think in English. Talk to yourself in English. Say your routine out loud. Repeat after me slowly. I wake up early in the morning. I stretch and thank God for a new day. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get ready for work. I eat breakfast. I leave home with a smile. Now say it in a more fluent way. I start my day with a fresh mind. I get ready and head out full of energy. I grab a quick breakfast before work. I take a deep breath and say, "Let's do this." That's how fluent speakers sound. Clear, confident, and natural. Part 2. Everyday conversations. Let's move to small talk. The kind of English you use when you meet people. Hi. How are you doing? I'm good, thanks. What about you? I'm doing great. Just a little busy. How's your day going? Pretty good so far. Now let's upgrade this conversation. Basic, how are you? Better. How have you been lately? Advanced, it's been a while. How's everything going with you? See the difference? It sounds more friendly, more fluent, and more like real English. Part 3. Expressing yourself. Let's learn how to express feelings. Because English isn't just words. It's emotions too. I'm happy, I'm so glad, I'm over the moon. I'm tired. I feel exhausted. I'm completely worn out. I'm angry. I'm upset. I'm furious. I'm sad. I feel down. I'm heartbroken. I'm busy. I've got work. I've got my hands full. Speak these with emotion. Don't just say the words. Feel them. That's how your English becomes alive. Part 4. Real-life practice. Now imagine this. You meet a friend on the street. Hey, what's up? Not much, just heading home. Are you free this evening? Maybe. What's up? Let's go for dinner. Sounds good. Where to? There's a new cafe near the park. Perfect. I'll see you at 7. That's real conversation English. Short, simple, natural. Repeat it 3 times until it feels easy. Remember, fluency comes from repetition. Part 5. Speak without fear. Many people understand English, but they're afraid to speak. Maybe you feel the same. You know the words, but your tongue gets stuck. Let me tell you something important. Nobody speaks perfectly. Even native speakers make mistakes every day. So stop worrying. Start speaking. Because practice builds confidence. Every time you speak, even if it's not perfect, you're one step closer to fluency. Say this with me. I can do it. I can speak English. I'm improving every single day. Yes. That's the energy we need. Part 6. Tips for faster progress. Here are 3 simple tips to help you learn faster. Listen daily. Watch English videos, listen to podcasts, and repeat what you hear. Speak daily. Even if you're alone, talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, your plans, or your thoughts. Don't translate. Think directly in English. Instead of "Mujhe bhook lagi hai," say "I'm hungry." Keep your mind in English mode. If you follow these 3 steps for 30 days, Your English will not only improve, it will transform. Now listen carefully because this part comes from the heart. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start today. Every great speaker was once a beginner, just like you. They made mistakes. They forgot words. They felt shy. But they kept going, and so will you. One day, you'll look back and say, I remember when I started this 30-day challenge. And now I speak English confidently. Believe in that version of yourself, because it's already waiting for you. All right, my friends, you did great today. This was day 1 of your 30-day English speaking challenge. Don't stop here. Practice these sentences again tomorrow morning. And remember, small steps every day lead to big results. If you liked this video, hit like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Den English World. And join me tomorrow for day 2, real-life speaking practice. Until then, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep shining. See you tomorrow.